Hello guys, and we continue learning the confusing vocabulary in English. If some words have similar meaning, sometimes they get mixed up when we speak, yeah? And it's very important to know the right context for using the correct word, isn't it? Today I'm teaching you a pair of prepositions. The difference between across and through. They can be translated the same way into some languages. How to distinguish between them? Across shows the movement on some surface in only one dimension. Imagine you have a square, yes, something horizontal, and you move across this place. I am now moving across this sheet of paper, okay, across in one dimension. But through shows when you go through some place in three dimensions, right? So I am going through this bracelet with my arm. That's why you want to say across the square, across the street, but through the bushes. Yes? Or he walked through the garden, meaning that he was walking between the trees, right? And he got lost. Yes, we couldn't see him for a while. You can say across the park if you mean that you were walking on the grass, but through the park when you were passing the park and you were in between the trees, so to say. It's a small difference, but these prepositions actually are used in absolutely different situations. I hope it's clear now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and maybe buy me a coffee.